It's everyone's favorite for day 2 lunch in the 15 meals under 2000 shillings budget series. To make the samosa pastry sheets, add half cup flour and a pinch of salt and knead with 3 to 4 tablespoons of water. Then take it out on the surface of a table and add 1 tablespoon oil and knead well. Let it rest. To prepare the filling, heat 2 teaspoons oil and add 200 grams minced beef. Once browned, add 1 tablespoon chopped ginger and garlic and 1 teaspoon curry powder and salt to taste and stir. Turn off the gas and add 1 chopped onion and coriander leaves. Put the mixture in a bowl so it cools faster. For the wrappers, divide the dough into 4 and roll flat into small circles. Add half tablespoon oil on the surface of each circle, followed by a sprinkle of plain flour. Then place the oiled part over another circle and repeat by oiling. Once all 4 circles are placed together, roll out into a large circle and then throw it on a heated pan. Cook for 30 seconds on each side and then take it off. Each layer will easily peel off. Then cut the wrappers into 4 like so. Now, make a samosa glue using plain flour and water and then fold each sheet into a triangle like so. You fill the sheet with mincemeat and fold. Repeat with the rest and you will have 16 pieces ready. Now pour oil into a deep pot and once it is hot, add the samosas carefully. Fry for 2 minutes and they are ready to indulge in. Enjoy! See you at dinner!